water.
Give him some water.
Abby.
Oh, let's go some like water.
That's okay.
Water. What animal called? Water and plant. Water and grass. There's a light.
Fully and completely seated at all times. This includes your little ones and when we're stopped. I see lots of kids back there. Parents, please supervise your children. They can sit on your laps. They can sit on the outside of the rows. I recommend that. They can see much better that way, but where they're at is where they need to stay throughout the entirety of the trip. I also ask that you respect the animals. Please remember they are wild. They are not our house pets. We're going into their home. I understand it ggets very exciting, but it is important that we do the same as prehensile tongue like the giraffes have, and just the male okapi have ossicones like giraffes do. They're pretty cool. And then all these are females. They don't have horns. They're one of the fewer antelope species like that. Big tourist station and watching pretty convenient considering where they live. On your left, to the left of the island, hippos are actually nocturnal. They are in the water and they come up for air. It's kind of the same thing as when we roll over in our sleep. It's just naturally happens. It's not about a multi.
Oh, look at all those birds.
Previously, birds can be out with them are the finback pelicans. While they have a wing, the structures about
Never smile at a crocodile.
It looks like right now there's one by us and everybody else is toward the back. We have one of the larger migration patterns of any animal in the world. It can be hundreds, even thousands of them at a single time when they migrate. So they do come in great numbers. Guys, everybody needs to stay fully seated, please. Parents, supervise your children. Thank you. This is for everybody's safety. In Africa, more
Statue one.
No, it's real.
That looks like a statue.
Wow.
That looks like a statue.
Cinnamon-colored animals way past them, tucked in the back. We have some more zebras out here as well as some springboks. Second fastest animals on the reserve. They are second to the cheetah, so they can reach speeds of up to 55 miles an hour.
That's a baby.
No, that's a full grown.
Oh, that's a big one there. You see him?
You see it?
Oh, he's a big old
And
guy.
then if you look on your left-hand side,
There's a baby one. They're eating right now.
one way we can help them is by recycling old electronic devices like cell phones.
I saw a baby.
Oh, here's a great big one.
Whoa. Mommy, I forgot my picture.
That's alright. I have got some pictures I can get for you.
They're real.
They are
real.
I know everything here looks real usually, and it's not.
Mommy, go.
For them to lose all the gray feathers, they are technically white. The biggest that pink color from the shrimp they eat, which contains beta-carotene. So the pinker they are, the more shrimp they eat.
Aren't they pretty?
I see ducks. I see ducks.
Their fur emits an oily secretion and it makes them waterproof. They live by aquatic environments, and if they have to jump into the water to escape from a predator, it helps them. He's probably the most skittish one we have. His name is Dugan.
Going into the
I
road.
think he has the right of way, I believe.
Yeah.
He's going to the road. Bye, Ryan.
But to give you an idea of how large he is, your bottoms are about 5 feet off of the ground. He's very large. Something else.
Awesome.
Wow.
Isn't he pretty?
So the lions are inactive 18 to 20 hours a day. They will do the majority of their hunting at night, while their vision during the day is the same as ours. Their night vision is 6 times.
I see another one.
Another one.
a cheetah, but they have no spots, right?
They're lions.
They're lions. Huh?
Just flightless birds, so they do run up to about 40 miles an hour. They're shoes. And yes, these are ostrich eggs. Or they are communal layers.
Oh, ostrich eggs.
Spot. Just to the right of the really large, like, or small, like, drop wall. They are domesticated all over the world, even here. And they don't get to be very big. They'll only stand 2 feet tall and weigh about 100 pounds.
I see baby one.
Did you see a baby one? All right.
Baby one. That white one. I see another one. 2 gorillas. There's 2 gorillas.
Are there?
Yeah, one right there in that little pumpkin. And one
Oh, yeah.
there.
I see it.
2 gorillas. I was in a gorilla. I'm done.
They're up top. Look at up top.
Oh my gosh, someone has a trouble, a double trouble, Let's go. You wanna go on the train? I wanna go on that Amazon River. Which one?
Welcome aboard the Wildlife Express with service to Rafiki's Planet Watch. Here, you'll discover a wide range of animal adventures, from the affection section, where you can get up close and personal with domesticated animals like goats, sheep, and more, to sneak peeks at animal care in action at our veterinary, nutrition, and science centers. Also, be sure to check out the animation experience at Conservation Station.
Oh.
Do you know Bambi is the first animated feature to bring live animals into the studio? In the 1940s, Walt Disney and his animators modeled characters from the film.
They're native to New Zealand.
A big old bull, huh?
I can't reach it. No, baby. I can't reach it.
It's raining.
I'm tired of being He's tired of being pet. Everybody's tired of being pet.
Yeah.
It's right. Break my tire. I don't think it was his
Right there. It's okay.
Inside a building that's
Everyone go stand over there. Let me take a picture. Oh my God. Get your big booty up there.
Ready? Go.
Mason, scoot over. What is that? This way. Okay, 1, 2, 3, look at me. Oh, Avery, what are you doing?
Mom, this is how you pop it. Mom, this is how you pop it.
There you go.
Pull it.
These are animals like tigers, jaguars, seals. The banshee is one of these important animals. Dr. Ogden is the foremost expert on studying the ikran and has spent years researching them. Unfortunately, banshees live high in rookeries and humans can't get anywhere near them without becoming their lunch. But the Na'vi and avatars can. In fact, the Na'vi have been riding on the backs of banshees since their earliest history. Thanks to science, avatars can ride on banshees too. That's why you're linking to an avatar. Okay, to get you flying on a banshee, we need to find each of you an avatar. Let's prep the genetic sampling.
I'm on it.
Okay, first we need to find the compatible match of your genetic material with the genetic material of one of the avatar bodies that we already have.
no match for me.
Oh, I got a match.
All right,
We're all
you've
listening.
all been matched with avatars. Ooh, looks like they're ready for you in the next room. When the door opens, please go inside, all the way in, and stand over the same number that you're standing over now. And,
Pretty, huh?
There's a lionfish right there.
It's Nemo and his dad. Come here.
Yeah, it's a lion.
Hi, where's the lionfish? Oh, there he is. Where's lionfish? Did you know there are venomous?
And they don't tell the truth.
What?
They don't tell the truth.
What do you mean?
They're lionfish.
I mean, that's poisonous. That's what's that one up there?
Hey, look. Oh, Abby, look. Try fish.
It's a what?
I have the same one in my fish tank. It's the same one I have.
You see how big this one is down here? It goes clear, so the legs clear over on this side.
Oh, what is that?
It goes all the way.
Ooh.
And you can see the dirt moving under it. Like, look right underneath it.
Yeah.
Seahorse. I love it. Seahorse. I have the
They're weird.
Coral reefs provide food and shelter for marine animals, ranging from shrimp to the ocean's largest predators.